older, I want to play for England and meet Rachel Yankid, the star Arsenal player.
Blessed love all, I'm a lion, I'm a lioness. I hope within your life all is blessed. If nothing is at 100%, please don't stress. Just do your best and leave God for do the rest. If you haven't done so yet, I'm asking you to please and thanks. Click the like button, subscribe and help the channel grow, and click the notification bell. By doing so, you will always get that update, that alert, that notification whenever I post a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. Yes, blessed love all, I'm a lion, I'm a lioness. Welcome to Lion Foot Vlogs. Seeing, but right now, Mr. Determination is the key to success. I'm going to show you 2 videos of this young girl, Lexi Smith. I mentioned her name to a lot of people over the years, and them said them heard of her. You know, yeah, she's an Arsenal player, you know, and but I'm going to watch the transition when she first started out, and then, you know, a couple of years after, she has grown and matured and still pushing for greatness.
When I'm older, I want to play for England and meet Rachel Yankid, the star Arsenal player.
Football gives her a sense of responsibility, especially since being at Arsenal. She's had a lot of responsibility, and she gets ready herself. You know, it gets her kit ready and makes sure she's got everything. And I suppose it gives her a sense of pride. You know, like that she's within a team, she's working, doing something that she absolutely adores.
First of all, they was a bit confused. Oh, there's a girl on our team, and they didn't really pass to me. As I was getting into it and scoring, I was like, wow, she's really good.
The Women's Sports Trust grant gave Lexi the opportunity and reassurance to know that she could stay at Arsenal. The grant came mid-season, and financially we were struggling. Lexi will be playing for England probably by the time she's 17.
I really want to be an example to other little girls, because if they work as hard as I have, then they'll get their dream and be a star football player.
Yes, man, well done to Lexi Smith, you know what I mean, and big up her parents, Ryan and Ty, you know what I mean. Yeah, man, lovely people, you know. Yeah, I first met Lexi Smith when she was 8 years old, and she just joined the club, South Carib All-Stars, you know what I mean. Yeah, big up Mr. Scaife, Carlton Scaife, the chairman, the founder of the club. Anyway, when she first came on, I tell her, say, I see the talent in her, the determination, and she listened, and, you know what I mean, at 8 years old, I know she was gonna make it, you know, be something special. So, as you can see those picks, you know, these picks, we were champions back to back. 2012, 2013, we won the under 10s, you know what I mean, and 2013, 2014 season, we won the under 11s, and also a cup, we won the double. Yeah, and that's where the scout them start watch my club, you know, and thing is it. Yeah, so when she did Arsenal now, she got sponsored by the Women's Trust, you know, female football and thing, and that was good as well, you know what I mean, because she have the talent and she have the ball knowledge, you see me? Yeah, so one day her mom told me that the governor of Arsenal said, want to meet me. You know, so I said, yeah. So I took the opportunity and went with them at the training session at Arsenal training ground and met him, and he shook my hand and said, well done. And he did a great job with her, you know. You know, I had her from 8 years old, 9, you know what I mean, 8, 9 coming up till what, 11. You know what I mean? So yeah. It was a joy to know that my craft, you know, I got praise for it. I mean, also give him my CV, but nothing never came of it, you know. But I don't know Arsenal for life. Yeah, you see me? Yeah, so that first interview now is with the BBC, the Women's Trust. They came and they interviewed us at the park, you know, and think where it all started from. Yeah, man. So right now this clipping, you know, see right now we are warm up on the pitch. That's like 4 or 5 years ago. You know what I mean? And it's just a great moment. I'm happy for her and the journey, you know. I'm going to show you the next clip, which is very recent. Her mom sent it to me. But you know them now left me out or nothing, you know what I mean? Her first quote. So I'm going to show you now. Because she still got the support and she fulfill her dreams. Because she said she want to play for England. You know, I meet Rachel Yankee and she did all of those stuff, you know. Yeah, you see me, so. Yeah, man, watch the next clip and you see it. Determination is the key to success.
From walking in the park when my brother asked to play football, it's always been something that I wanted to do.
She lives for football. She wants to show that you can make it no matter where you come from or what your background is. That motivates her to keep going and going.
There's no word what can explain the feeling what I have once I'm on that pitch, and to just show everyone what I want to do for the rest of my life. 4 times a week I'm training just to improve everything I do.
The whole family sacrifices, me being away so much. It's a lot of money just even getting to the training.
The money helps put the stress off of the whole family.
Without the support that we've had, she wouldn't be able to continue.
My ultimate goal is to play for Arsenal women first team.
As the time goes on, the dreams get bigger and bigger. She wants to play for first team, she wants to play for England first team.
I definitely want to have our own football team. I just want to show that I'm a good role model and that it's not impossible.
My ultimate dream is that she trains hard and gets as much back as what she puts in.
Yes, my lion and my lioness, my viewers and subscribers, I hope this story inspire you and motivate you to go harder and don't give up. You see me, I say, Lexi Smith, you know, from the age of 8 years old, I know she was going to reach far, and she worked hard and her parents support her, and it's nice to see the woman's trust as well. Big up the woman's trust who's still there with her sponsoring her, because no doubt she's going to reach the top, one of the big ball of them in the world. You see me? And she has set her goals and targets that she wants to play for England first team, Arsenal first team. And she's playing for England and Arsenal, but she wants to play for the first team. And I know she's going to make it. You see me? Yeah, you see it. And during, see that team there with me, that one of the baddest squad that in South London. You see me? Yeah, man, anything come test dead, man. You see it? Football-wise, you see it? Yes, so the scout them to start watching. We have an next player named Michael Opong, great finisher, wicked baller from Ghana. But his father traveled in and out the country, you know. And when Manchester United reach out, you know, and I tell him to go for it. Because I ask me what to do. You see me say, go at least I can say a try, you know. But him give it a couple of weeks and him say, boy, it's too much. You know, too much actually if you go up and down Manchester. And you see me, so the youth football is definitely sacrifice, you see me. Well, at least him get the opportunity, you know. I'm feel good to know that too as well. That's what I say. But yeah, man, work hard and believe, man, you see me. And you can share this message and pass it on to any young footballer. You see me, I say, Lexi Light Smith, look out for her, man, the next top female big baller, you see me, in the world. She's gonna be there. She gonna make it. You see me? Yeah, man, no doubt she's gonna make it, man. She's gonna make it, man, to the top, because she's a leader, she's a fighter, you know. She was the only girl in my squad, and she was the captain, because of her work ethics, you know, and dedication and desire. Is it? But my people, I ask you to share the video, pass it on to any young footballer out there and parents. Support your kid, you know, in whatever they do, any sporting field, you see me? Yeah, man, a lion foot, you know. Until next time, you know, you learn to big up on yourself, guidance and protection. I'm out.